Let me show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, so any of these models, is not properly charging. So either when you actually insert the cable inside your charger port, it doesn't charge at all, or maybe it charges only like tiny bit and then stops, or maybe it appears it's charging but actually it's not charging, or also this cable actually doesn't even fully goes inside the charger port, or also if you slightly touch your cable, the charging process stops. So essentially any of this stuff. So the most common cause of all these issues is you simply have something stuck inside the charging port. Again, this is very common essentially, and 99% of time that is the actual problem. So again, very easily, we can very easily fix it. And basically for the job we are going to need a few basic tools. Blower like this, which can force a lot of air inside, is very helpful. Also like a toothbrush, so regular toothbrush, and the best tool for the job really is the tiniest sewing needle you can get. So again, try to get the tiniest you can get. So if it's like very large, do not actually use it. So again, find something very small. Also let me actually quickly show you what the Type-C port actually looks inside, because obviously we can easily damage it as well if you do not do it properly. So for example, this is our Type-C port, and inside we actually have this connecting strip where the cable actually plugs to be able to charge, and this strip has like tiny connectors essentially that basically pass through the current, and they as well. So the last thing we want to do is obviously damage any of those pins essentially. So how we are going to clean it? We are simply going to take our tiny sewing needle, and basically in this port we are simply going to scrape along the edge basically, so while inserting inside, and in the scooping motion essentially try to fish out any junk. So you see, insert inside, keep along the edge and scoop out. Again on the other side as well. So again, keep near the edge, don't actually go near the strips. We do not want to actually bend anything or damage anything. Also make sure to actually turn off your tablet before you do this as well. Also you can take a flashlight and also visually inspect what's actually happening inside. You should be able to actually see if anything is actually like stuck inside there. But even if you do not see much, again, so let me show you how to do it. So again, I'm simply taking my needle here. Again, so I'm inserting inside, so, and again only keeping near the bottom edge. So at first, so you see, I'm inserting inside, scraping along the bottom and fishing out. Obviously also make sure to keep your tablet like this while you do it, so all the junk can actually like fall out essentially. But I'm simply showing like this, otherwise I can't show you. So you see basically the bottom part and also the top. So insert inside and scoop out, and repeat this multiple times. So also we can even scrape along the bottom basically, but again make sure you obviously do not touch the middle strip. So again, that's why we need the tiniest sewing needle you can get. So simply scrape along here and fish out everything that essentially comes out. And after you're done with that, again, I suggest you to actually get a tool like this. So this literally costs like $1. So this camera blower, maybe in a pharmacy also can get this. So you see, you can insert inside, so place near and blow like huge amount of air inside, and essentially all the junk will actually like fly out basically that we managed to dislodge with a sewing needle. Also for fine stuff, again, I suggest you take little like a toothbrush and simply insert inside and brush around again to dislodge the tiniest bits that maybe are stuck somewhere. So again, in multiple angles, so simply brush out again with a blower or any other way how you can blow inside, literally blow everything out. Again, lastly, again, simply follow up with a needle again, inside, both sides, and should be good. By the way, also I suggest you to also check out your cable, also if everything is okay with your cable. First, again, you can simply like visually inspect if maybe there's something stuck inside the cable. So you see it has got that opening. So again, maybe there's something off. Maybe that way also it doesn't charge. And also basically over time, obviously these cables wear down and they simply go bad. Essentially the most common cause basically, so again, no matter what the look of the cable is, basically this part basically often simply goes bad. So if you also, for example, take your cable, lift it like this, also maybe you can sometimes even get your tablet to work, because the cable essentially like gets shorted basically in the correct way if you do this, and maybe the tablet will start to charge. So you see, if you, for example, like try to bend your tablet and you see that actually some charge actually starting to happen, it's charged briefly, that 100% means there's actually something wrong with the cable. So simply try another cable. So again, maybe there's nothing wrong with this tablet, maybe the cable was actually the one causing this problem. So again, literally just bend it. So again, it's extremely common for pretty much any cable to get basically broken over time. Also, as you bend your cable, obviously, so any cable inside is actually made up of like tons of different tiny strands, so tiny cables essentially inside. And over time, basically, as you bend them, twist them in all the ways, you usually do, again, some might actually break inside, and again, that also might cause these problems. But again, literally 99% of time, they're simply stuck inside here, or your port is simply dirty. Again, this is actually needed to, so actually it's even advisable to clean out your charger port from time to time, so at least once a year, essentially. So on any tablets or any devices, so again, we have to actually take care of the charger port, because again, if you have something stuck inside here and you keep pushing basically the cable inside, again, you might even mess up your charger port altogether. So if you keep it dirty, essentially. So again, this is not uncommon. So again, this is extremely common cause. So do not feel bad that you basically have something stuck inside there. That's completely okay. Good luck.